Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is articles. Chapter number 5 and page number is 31. So at first আমি জানিব লাগিব what the article is. The words a, an and the are known as articles. So these articles, that means a, an and the, are being used along with nouns. So common noun or agot ki bohe? Common noun and proper noun amar agor class already tumalokok discuss kora hoisil hoine. So etu tumaloke monot rakhiba je common noun or agot a aru an article use hoy and proper noun or agot the article use hoy. Okay. So article ok ami duta bhagot bhag koribo paru. First of all, indefinite articles, this one, and the second one is definite articles. Okay. So in today's class we are going to discuss about indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. So indefinite articles, we use the articles a or an before a singular noun. We use indefinite articles are a or n. Okay. So before a singular noun or agot ami a aru n indefinite articles use koru. So we use a or n when we talk about a common noun. Jetia ami common noun or bishoye kou, tetia ami a or an indefinite article use koru for the first time. Okay. So a or an are called indefinite articles. Indefinite articles keta duta, a and n. We use a when the noun is singular and begins with a consonant sound. So we use a article when the noun is a singular. Jetia noun singular thakibo and begins with a consonant sounds. So English alphabet vowels keta asil 5ta. So there are 5 vowels in English alphabets, and that's are a, e, I, o and u. And bakibur ki hobo consonants. So consonant sound or agot ami ki use korim? A indefinite article. Okay. So ki hobo? A is always used before nouns which begins with consonant sounds. So let's see the examples. A, cow. C-O-W, cow. So cow agot ki article use hoise? A article. Why? Because cow starts with the consonant C. Cow starts with the consonant C, and that's why A article used before it. Okay. C is a consonant aru heibabe consonant sound or agot ki use hoy? A article. Okay. So next the example is a house. H-O-U-S-E, house. So house starts with the consonant H, and that's why we use A article before it. Okay. H hoy tumar consonant sounds aru heibabe ami yat ki use koru? A article. Next the topic you see vowel sounds, an article used. Okay. So we use an article when the noun is singular. Noun ki hobo lagibo? Singular form ot thakibo lagibo and begins with vowel sounds. So vowels ki asil? A, E, I, O and U. An egg, E double G, egg. So egg starts with a vowel sounds. So an article used before it. Okay? E is a vowel sounds. আৰু সেইবাবে আমি তাৰ আগত কি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব an article. An apple. So apple starts with a vowel sounds. And that's why we use an article before it. Apple, A double P L E. আৰু তোমালোকক থুলমূলকৈ বুজাব গ'লে তোমালোকে এটো মনত ৰাখিবা যে নাউন ফৰ্মটো সিঙ্গুলাৰ হ'ব লাগিব এ আৰু এন আৰ্টিকেল বহোৱাৰ সময়ত এন্ড আৰু এটা মেইন ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পইণ্টটো হ'ল যে এন আৰ্টিকেল ভাৱেল ফৰ্মৰ ভাৱেল সাউন্ডছৰ আগত ইউজ হ'ব এন্ড এ আৰ্টিকেল কনসনেন্ট সাউন্ডৰ আগত ইউজ হ'ব. Students, here is some examples of indefinite articles. Let's see that. Okay. So first the example is dash boy, a boy. Why we use a article? Because boy starts with a consonant sounds and that's why we use a article before it. Okay. Then the second example is an apple. So apple starts with a vowel sounds. That's why we use an article before it. Like a car, C is a consonant sound. That's why we use a article. An elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. So E is a vowel, all we know that, and that's why we use an article before it. A house, H is a consonant. That's why we use a article before it. And a bag, BAG, bag. Aru bag starts with a consonant sounds and that's why we use a article before it. Okay, students, I hope all of you better understand the topic articles, especially indefinite articles, right? Thank you so much, students.